Here are the 10 best foods you can eat to promote hair growth. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and biotin, two nutrients that may promote hair growth. Eating adequate protein is important for hair growth because hair follicles are made of mostly protein. A lack of protein in the diet has been shown to promote hair loss. Biotin is essential for the production of a hair protein called keratin, which is why biotin supplements are often marketed for hair growth. Research has also shown that consuming more biotin can help improve hair growth in people with a biotin deficiency. However, biotin deficiencies are uncommon if you consume a balanced diet. There is little evidence to show healthy people benefit from consuming more biotin. Eggs are also a great source of zinc, selenium, and other hair-healthy nutrients. This makes them one of the best foods to consume for optimal hair health. Number 2. Berries. Berries are loaded with beneficial compounds and vitamins that may promote hair growth. This includes vitamin C, which has strong antioxidant properties. Antioxidants can help protect hair follicles against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. These molecules exist naturally in the body and the environment. For example, 1 cup of strawberries provides an impressive 141% of your daily vitamin C needs. Also, the body uses vitamin C to produce collagen, a protein that helps strengthen hair to prevent it from becoming brittle and breaking. What's more, vitamin C helps the body absorb iron from the diet. Low iron levels may cause anemia, which has been linked to hair loss. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is a healthy green vegetable that's loaded with beneficial nutrients like folate, iron, and vitamins A and C, all of which may promote hair growth. Vitamin A helps the skin glands produce sebum. This oily substance helps moisturize the scalp to keep hair healthy. 30 grams of spinach provides up to 54% of your daily vitamin A needs. Spinach is also a great plant-based source of iron, which is essential for hair growth. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body to fuel your metabolism and aid growth and repair. What's more, iron deficiencies have been linked to hair loss. Number 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, like salmon, herring, and mackerel, have nutrients that may promote hair growth. They are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to hair growth. A study in 120 women found that taking a supplement containing omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, as well as antioxidants, reduced hair loss and increased hair density. Another study found that taking a fish oil supplement significantly reduced hair loss and increased hair growth in women with thinning hair. However, there are only a handful of studies on omega-3 fatty acids and hair growth. More studies are needed before health experts can make any recommendations. Fatty fish is also a great source of protein, selenium, vitamin D3, and B vitamins, nutrients that may help promote strong and healthy hair.